In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate 3SIM card UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate any SIM card issued from 3. This includes physical standard SIM cards or even eSIM cards, and it's going to work for both iOS and Android devices. So all that you have to do to start this process, first, if you have a physical SIM, is to take out the SIM tray on your smartphone and insert the 3SIM card. So all that you have to do is take out this tray, put your 3SIM card inside, and then put the SIM tray back into your device. By doing these steps, with the 3SIM card properly inserted here, it is going to be detected and picked up. So power on your device, and you might see a screen similar to this one, asking you to unlock your SIM. If you do, just tap on the option here to unlock it, and then enter your PIN. By entering it here, you will be able to get it unlocked, but most of the time you will not be having to do this. As long as you choose the option here and you go through the process, you will be good to go. Usually what's going to happen is that they will send you a message telling you that they are finishing setting up on their back end, and you just have to wait. Once the process is done, which at most can take up to 30 minutes, it is going to be ready to be used. So you just have to wait. They are going to send a follow-up text telling you to restart your device, and after you do, it is going to be activated, ready to be used for any sort of calls, any sort of mobile data, and cellular data, and so on. Alternatively, if you have an eSIM, you just have to access the settings on your device, go over to mobile service or cellular options, and then choose add eSIM. Follow the instructions listed here, and you will be able to get it done, usually by scanning a QR code. And once the eSIM is good to go, you will be able to continue and once again use it for calls, mobile data, and whatever you have with your 3SIM card. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate 3SIM card in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.